RT-704 Digital IZ Charpy Impact Tester. First, press the power button to turn on the device. Enter the operation interface. Click on Settings. Set parameters based on actual sample strips. The pendulum is 5 joules. Choose 5.0 joule impact energy. Under normal circumstances, choose a speed of 2.9 meters per second. This line is for testing sample size. Input based on the actual size of the test sample. This is our Guobiao standard test sample strip. The size is 80 mm x 8 mm x 4 mm. This is the unit of test results. Joules per square meter, kilogram foot. Click to switch modes. Return to the main interface. This is a loss test. The pendulum is 5 joules. No need to place samples. Lift the pendulum up. Press the impact button. Then lift the pendulum up. Click to switch modes. After switching to normal mode, then install the test sample. Align with this gap and place it. If it is a test sample without gaps, you can put it directly on top. Usually, the test samples for simply supported beams are those without notches. After placing the test sample, press the impact button. What is displayed here is the test result. This is a microprinter, can print test data. After the test is completed, restore the pendulum to its original position.